Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool Vogue video edit in CapCut PC. So you're just going to grab your video. I just grabbed this one, and you are going to go to spot where you want the frame to freeze. So I'm just going to, for instance, make it there. I'm going to make it freeze here, so I'm just going to select the freeze frame. I'm also going to go to the adjustments tab, and I'm going to turn down the saturation, and you can adjust the contrast and the brightness and stuff like that. Then I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to add in the Vogue text. So I'm just going to type in the word Vogue, and I'm just going to make it really big like that, and I'm going to just search for a font. And that is pretty much it. Maybe add in some shadows so you can see it a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I'm just going to make it smaller actually so that the video can continue. Hold on. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.